Yeah.
Just had to stop there and change the battery in the camera. We're also looking for accommodation, so that was one spot that was no good. We're going to go along here and check another one. No, this one's no good. Booked out. We'll go back again. Look of it. Go back and check out a couple of others. Each time we stop at one, they recommend another. So we'll continue our journey till we find a place. We've got plenty of time, so. A lot of these places are tucked away. They're hard to see because we've got the sea down to our left, and there's basically an access road that goes down to the accommodations. Yes, makes it hard to find them. Bloody hell. Anyone for karaoke? Nice and loud. I love it. Love a bit of karaoke over here. What are they doing? Still looking for accommodation. Everything's fully booked. And you know, we don't book nothing.
We just rock up. That's how we travel. But we'll find one. Well, that one there was one available back there, but there was no food or drink. The place was brand new. They don't have a chef yet. So, of course, that's going to be out of the question. And to get food and bring it back, it's too far. So, I think we're going to. The guy that was working there told us to come along here further, back where we would come, and there might be some others. He said there's a lot along here. There's a lot of accommodations here, but it's finding one that's got 2 rooms. We found 2 with 1 room, but not 2 rooms. Eh? What do you got?
give you energy.
Yeah, but then it's going to get late. If we stop and have something to eat, we need to find accommodation first.
How far